Hey, this is Don with D.R.C. coming at you with a little video, quick short on the California Trimmer 25-inch commercial lawn mower. This here has a clutch on it, clutch drive. And let's start at the left side, work our way to the right. We have our bearing holder in here with bearing. This is 25-inch, so it has two sets of tires. That's 4 bearings. We have our clutch pad here, and we have our clutch plate on the main shaft. We have our main sprocket coming off the engine. Right now it's in neutral, so it's freewheeling. Come over here, we have our washer, we have our clutch spacer, large clutch fork, and this right here is our clutch adjusting rod. And this here is connected to your handle up at the top. And just pretend this is your handle, so you pull it up towards you and it puts it in neutral. And then when you push it forward, it's engaged and it's in drive. We have our large washer, clutch spring. This spring is adjusted to 4 3/8 from end of spring to end of spring. We have our locking collar, our clutch large washer, our small fork, and we have our center shaft support, which bolts up to the frame up on top over here. We have our center drive wheel sprocket, and we have our 2 rear wheels over here. On this side, we have our bearing holder bearing, and then we have our exterior sprocket on this side here that drives the reel. Whenever I'm working on my lawnmowers, a lot of times I like having them up in the air with like stands. So I like using these 10-pound dumbbells. And you can see they're hexagon, so they don't roll around or anything. They stay pretty much in place. And it holds the wheels and everything in place when you're working on it. Set that up in there, and it holds it up for you. Those dumbbells come in handy, raises the whole working area, and it locks the wheels in place so it won't roll forward or backwards. Little quick tip. This is Don with D.R.C. I'm out.